gonna do some 360 droning. Oh, I just rode my one wheel. Sometimes you just gotta hike your wheel. And now I'm on location. Got my Mavic. Insta360 One R aerial edition. So fantastic, I can just carry that with me anywhere. That's so good. It's total game changing. All right, let's see how quick I can put it together. All right, it's put together. That went quick. I'm gonna take off this bottom guard when I'm ready to fly. Okay. Taking off the bottom. Oh. I'll have to remember that one. It just dropped. Oops. We're off. Nice. Oh, that looks good. Woo. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, this is a good rig. I like it. Let's see. I'm excited to see what that footage looks like. See how bumpy it is and jello-like that it is. Because there was some good wind, so it's probably shaking quite a bit. And it doesn't. Oh, there's a lot of vibration with this rig, so we'll see.